Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a few law of attraction secrets that I wish I knew earlier, because I feel like these things really push your manifestation and really help you become a powerful creator. And I kind of just wish I knew and understood these concepts earlier in life. And guys, we are trying to hit 3,000 subscribers on this channel, so if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, let's get started. The first idea is understanding what your desires actually mean. Because sometimes when you want something or when you desire something, you can actually be putting out vibes and vibrations of lack, of not having it, of sort of being desperate for this thing and always wanting it because you don't already have it. Versus when you want something and you manifest from the perspective of you're going to have it or you already have it. And so the difference is just your intention and your approach and basically your mindset and how you feel about this thing that you're trying to manifest. Because if you are manifesting from a point of view of lack and of desperation, then you're essentially just blocking it and it's going to make it really difficult for it to come to you. But if you're manifesting from a point of view of I already have it, then what's going to happen is your vibration is going to match that of someone who already has the thing that you want. And because of that, you're basically aligning with the vibration and the frequencies of someone who already has that thing. And because of that, the thing has no choice but to come to you. And in a way it makes sense, because if you want something but you don't actually intend to have it, you don't actually believe that you're going to get it, then it's gonna be a lot harder for it to come into your life. But if you want something, but you're coming from the perspective of I already have it and I'm not attached to the outcome, then you're just letting go of all of the resistance and all of the doubt that you might have about your manifestation. And because of that, you're just gonna bypass all the waiting, and because of that, you're going to speed up your manifestation and you're gonna get that thing so much faster. The second idea is that your whole reality is just basically your beliefs about how the world works. There's this saying that your experience in life is just how you react to what happens. And that is so true, because if you go through life and you react negatively to every single thing that happens, and you use that to fortify your belief that things are negative, or that the universe is against you, or that life is hard and that things and people are always out to get you, then that is exactly the experience that you're going to have. But if you're a positive person and you react to things positively, and you use that to strengthen your belief that life is easy and things come to you easily, and that you're a lucky person and that you live a happy and grateful life, then again, that is exactly the reality that you're going to get, because whatever you believe about life or about the world is exactly the experience that you're going to have. And this is a tricky one, because it all boils down to your core belief system, which can be difficult to change if you're not aware of it. And I think most of us don't become aware of our beliefs until we get into manifestation, or until we try to achieve a big goal and we notice blocks in our way or little things that come up, and then that makes you question why is this happening? And the way that you can kind of reverse engineer it is by asking yourself, what do I believe that's leading me to this reality? What is my belief system that could make this reality possible? So for example, if you keep attracting negative things over and over again, or negative experiences over and over again, pay attention to the pattern, because that's actually super important. If there's something that's coming up over and over again, that means there's a lesson that you need to learn or something that you need to address, because if not, it's just gonna keep happening over and over again. So if you have a friend who always ends up in relationships where she gets cheated on or something like that, that is a pattern. And then what she needs to do is kind of reverse engineer and ask herself, well, what do I believe that's making this happen over and over again? What do I have to believe? What does my belief system have to be that I keep experiencing this over and over again? So maybe deep down she believes that this is maybe what she deserves, or she believes that this is how everyone is, something like that. And she really has to become aware of that belief first. That's really the first step, is becoming aware and becoming conscious of it. Because when you're not conscious, you're basically just letting your subconscious mind take over and make all of the decisions for you. So if that at your core, that's what you believe in, then you're basically going to experience it over and over again, because you're on autopilot. But if you decide to become conscious of it, then you're taking back the control, and then you're making the decisions rather than like your subconscious mind or your belief system, whatever it is. And you can also change your belief system using a bunch of different methods that we've talked about before. You can meditate, you can use gratitude journaling, you can use subliminals. There are a bunch of ways to like reprogram your subconscious and reprogram your beliefs. But the first step and like the most important step is to like recognize what it is and to recognize where it's coming from. And the last idea is that you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. So who you are as a person is basically the main frequency and the main vibrations that you give out at all time. So if your reality doesn't match what you want, then what you have to think to yourself, again, reverse engineer it and think, okay, my ideal life, my dream life, the person who lives that life, what are they like? And then that's how you kind of act as if or be as if, and you match that vibration and energy, and that's how you align and resonate with your dream life. And when you do that, when you align with the right frequencies and the right vibrations, then all of the things that you want have no choice. They have to come to you, and it's going to happen so fast. So it's so important to work on yourself, to do shadow work, and to create habits that's going to lead you to your dream life, because it's just the fastest way to get to where you want to be. It's by being the ideal person who has your dream life, right? Think about how that person would act, how that person would react to things in situations, and what they do on a daily basis, their daily habits. And then that's how you resonate and you be as if and you act as if. And that's really the ultimate secret to getting what you want in like the fastest amount of time. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!